Hello Barça fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another exciting update from the construction site of our future home, Spotify Camp Nou. And believe me, today's update is a special one. Some important developments have taken place around the stadium, including a major piece of news that every Barcelona fan will want to hear. So make sure you stay with me until the end, because in this video we're going to take a close look at everything that's happening right now at Camp Nou. Let's begin with the news every FC Barcelona fan has been waiting for. The club has officially received the 1C license to open the Gold Nord stand at Spotify Camp Nou. This approval means the stadium capacity can now reach 62,000 spectators. Starting with the match against Sevilla FC this Sunday, thousands of Barca fans will return and create a powerful atmosphere. After months of inspections and preparation work, the approval has finally arrived, and the Gold Nord stand is ready. This news becomes even more exciting when we look ahead to next week. Newcastle United will travel to Spotify Camp Nou for the second leg of the UEFA Champions League round of 16. With around 62,000 supporters inside the stadium, the atmosphere should be incredible. The noise and energy from the crowd will push the players forward and make things difficult for the visitors. From now on, every La Liga and Champions League home game will benefit from the increased capacity. Now let's move inside the stadium for the latest construction progress. One of the most impressive areas right now is the main dressing room, which is close to completion. The new space at Spotify Camp Nou is clearly larger and more modern than the temporary facilities currently used by the players. This upgrade will provide the squad with the world-class environment they deserve. Most of the structural and interior work is finished, with only a few final touches remaining. Progress is also continuing in the diamond area, one of the future commercial spaces inside the stadium. In the last update, we saw the first door frame installed, and now a second frame has been added. This shows the speed at which construction teams are working in this section. Workers are installing frames and preparing the area for crystal panels that will shape this modern retail zone. Step by step, the diamond area is getting closer to its final appearance. Another development involves the sandwich panels on the stadium exterior. Their installation has moved quickly, and workers have now started adding long metal structures that resemble small cantilevers across the panels. These structures reinforce the panels and also prepare the stadium for the future Lumas, which will define the new Camp Nou's exterior design. It's an efficient step that moves the stadium closer to its final architectural look. So overall, it has been another exciting day for Barcelona supporters. The Gold Nord license is approved. The stadium capacity is increasing to 62,000. The main dressing room is almost finished, and the diamond area continues to progress. At the same time, new exterior structures are being installed to prepare for the final design. Step by step, Spotify Camp Nou is moving closer to becoming one of the most impressive stadiums in world football. Thank you for watching today's update. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Visca el Barça.